It's been an incredible transformation turning this house into a home, and we couldn't have done it without the help from our friends at American Standard.
And we want to take you guys on a special tour behind the scenes to show you what happens. So come on in.
Let's go. Welcome to our main bath that's been completed with all American Standard products. There's been a lot of work that's gone on behind the scenes. But speaking of behind the scenes, I've got our plumber Mike here to talk about the flash rough-in valve that literally does all the work behind the scenes. It makes his life easier, which makes my life easier, but I'm gonna hand this off to him to talk about it.
Everybody likes everything that's on the outside, which is nice and pretty, but all that matters to us plumbers is what goes on inside the wall. What makes the American Standard flash valve amazing for installation from us professionals is a couple things. They simplified things with a flat back, screw to your 2x4, absolutely no more drilling required. What also makes it amazing is the different pipe configurations that have come on the American Standard flash valve, the shut-off valves and the test cap for rough-in. After you've pressure tested your valve, turn your shut-off valves off, remove the test plate, install the limited lifetime ceramic disc cartridge, turn your valves back on, and you're up and going without having to disrupt the water in the rest of the house.
That's great, Mike, but for me, I'm all about the shower experience. And the American Standard rough flash and valve provides a wider range of temperatures with a smooth transition from hot and cold, which means no more shower shocks.
For more information on that, you can go to americanstandard.ca/professionals.
Shocking.